So today's video is going to be a mainly toddler girl haul, but it's going to have a few little bits of what I got for myself and for what I got for the little man, because I did get a couple of things first, because it's not all about that. I just got back from Primark and I bought a big bag full of stuff. Obviously there's going to be noise in the background because the kids are running around, but what I'm going to do is just pull everything out of there, show you what I got. The main reason for this Primark shop is because Aleesa is starting nursery in April and I needed to top up on her wardrobe things that I don't really care if they get ruined, because obviously when kids go to nursery they play outside, they play with paint, they play with they make a mess. So I just wanted to get some cheap clothes so that I wouldn't really care if she got dirty, messy, muddy, whatever. Hello! You coming to join me, darling? The first thing are these leggings. It's a 2-pack of leggings for £3.50. The quality of Primark's kids leggings seems to have improved, but we'll see when she wears them. Next is something for me. This is a really light kind of sweater jumper type thing, and it's long sleeve. I got it in an XL because I want it to be quite baggy. It's got 2 stripes on one of the arms and it's really nice and big and baggy, and it's in khaki. Excuse me. It was reduced from £8 to £5, which is a bargain. I picked up some of these t-shirts, and this one is, it says hello awesome, and it's got unicorns and it's just nice and colourful. And these ones are £1.30, and I got them in the bigger size because I love bigger sizes on little girls. They just look so cute, like little dresses with leggings. I love it. So £1.30, you can't go wrong. Next, Aleesa's showing you her new little cat ears. £2. Really, really cute. Look at that.
Look at me, look at me.
Oh, also, this top that she's wearing now is from Primark. She spilled orange juice all down her when we were in the car, so I changed her. So she was in dry clothes. Yeah. It's a lovely t-shirt. This was £1.32. So good. Not £1.32, £1.32. The next thing are these joggers, and they're just really lightweight joggers for £3. You can't go wrong. She's wearing some grey ones as well because she got orange juice on her tights too, so we put some grey joggers on, and they were £3 as well. I got these in her size because they'd be too long and baggy otherwise and fall down her butt. Next we picked up this dress, and she actually chose this herself. These dresses are £2.50, so such a bargain for the summer. It's like a really simple, just throw it on when you haven't got time kind of dress in the summer. And watermelons, because Aleesa loves watermelons, don't you? Why did you pick this dress? Because of the watermelons? Yeah. Yeah, and it's pink. Issa's down here. Next we have this t-shirt, which is the £1.30 ones again, and in the size 5 to 6 as well, and this one's just got ice creams down it, and it says sweet summer, so that's another one. Ooh, hello. Issa's down here now in case you're wondering. Next I picked up this, and I could not resist this. This is so pretty for the summer. It's a lovely yellow dress. I don't normally go for yellow, but I think this is so adorable. Look at the detail on the back. It's got a bow, and then it's got like a cutout at the back, and it's like, and it's elasticated at the waist as well, and it's just so adorable for £3.50. That is such a bargain. I love it. And then we picked up some shoes for Aleesa because these were so adorable. Look at this. They light up. How cute. Yeah, so they were £11, and I got them in a size 7 because I think she's between sizes at the moment. Isa, stop it. And then I picked up some little small hairbands for Aleesa as well. These were £1 for all of these little ones, and then you get some clips as well. But she doesn't really wear the clips, but I really like the size of these little hairbands for her hair. And they were £1. So the last thing that I picked up for Aleesa was this jacket, and it is just the softest leather jacket. It was £12, and I picked it up in her actual size because it would have been too big otherwise. But it's amazing. It's actually adorable. Like, she looks amazing in it. I picked up 2 things for Isa. I got him some pajamas, and these are my favourite ones. These ones are actually shorter sleeve ones. Normally they're long sleeve, but these are probably the summer ones. These are 2 pairs of pyjamas for £5.50, and he lives in these. Like I take him out in these sometimes. I'm not too keen on the style of these ones. I don't really like the colours, but they were the only ones that they had in his size, so I thought I needed to get them because I went in to get him pyjamas. The last thing that I got for him was this set, and it's a little t-shirt. It came with these little shorts, and I think he just suits green so much. So this is going to be his first little summer outfit, and he's going to be so comfy. This was £4.50, which is a bargain for a t-shirt and shorts. And yes, I love it. And then the last things are a few little bits from the accessory section for myself. I picked up one of these. Has anybody ever used one of these? These are basically hair removal things for your face. So you hold the 2 ends and then you kind of just twist on your skin, and then it pulls out all the hairs. I've never tried one from Primark, but I have tried the ones on eBay, and this looks really skinny. So I thought I'd try this one to see how this works. And then the last things I got were some nails, because I actually really like wearing nails, and Aleesa chose these little pretty ones, and I chose these ones because I like pink ones. So that is everything that I picked up today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow me on my Instagram account, Saf's Life. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!